open this 19 millimeter of this nut anti-clockwise. Okay, to remove the wheel tire I will be needing few tools, like I will be using combination wrench number 12 of combination wrench, number 17 and number 19. Need to remove this 12 millimeter of nut using this 12 millimeter combination wrench. This bolt is holding the rear drum. It's very sensitive bolt. Need to take care of the washer as well. This is a 12 bolt. This is a nut and this is a washer. We'll keep it safe. Okay, and now I'm going to open this 19 millimeter of nut. Yeah, I will hold this 17 millimeter of bolt, this nut anti-clockwise. Okay, this is the brake shoe. Checking the drum rubber where everything is okay or not, or if there is any dust over there. Also checking the bearing rubber as well. Removing dust from the drums and from the bearings. Rubbing the drum with 120 sandpapers. The 120 number of sandpaper, rubbing the brake shoes very carefully. After rubbing the brake shoe with a brush, cleaning the brake shoe hub. There was so much dust over there. Removing the drum rubbers so that we can clean the drum. Cleaning the drum rubber slot with a brush very carefully so that there is no dust remains. Now installing the drum rubbers once again, one by one. One more left. Now cleaning or rubbing the brake shoes once again with the sandpaper number of 120. Installing the brake shoe in the drum, in the brake shoe slot. Checking the brake shoe lever or brake drum lever. Looking smooth. Now installing the wheel and the drum brake into the chassis. Now tighten the 19 millimeter of nut once again. Checking the chain slot, chain adjustment. Checking the tire free. Brake is doing perfect.